welcome back to Rainbow Brush. My name is Yaden, and today we will be drawing a gourmet kitchen. A lot of my family time is spent in the kitchen, so for this drawing, we're going to learn about some weird kitchen secrets you won't read in any cookbook. Look around your kitchen. Big or small, it's probably full of gadgets and tools. We use these things daily, but we never think hard about where they came from in the first place. Look closer though. There are hidden stories in your kitchen right now. Sure, you can roast a turkey or even a chicken without much thought in an electric-powered oven. But not too long ago, your ancestors may have used the help of a certain four-legged animal instead. What animal do you think that might be? Well, if you think cooking is hard work now, imagine what it was like in the days of open hearth roasting. The job of turning meat in front of a fire as it roasted was so unpleasant that special, short-legged dogs were bred to do it. These poor dogs were forced to trot around on a wheel attached to a spit. There are signs that these pups were too intelligent for the job. People say that they used to run away and hide when they saw meat being prepared. The use of knives and forks have left their mark on our teeth as well as on our food. It looks as if, astonishingly enough, the alignment of human teeth in an overbite goes back to the adoption of table knives and forks around 250 years ago. Our ancestors used to clamp hard food in their mouths, preventing the incisors from developing into an overbite. When we started cutting food into small little bits, our jaws naturally changed. In China, however, the overbite emerged 800 to 1,000 years sooner. The reason why? Chopsticks. Have you ever used chopsticks? They're a little bit more challenging, that's for sure. What are some things that you might find in the pantry in the kitchen? Maybe some canned food? Well, I have some information about canned food. I hope you like this little tidbit about canned food. And if you like this video, make sure to like this video, leave comments down below, and to subscribe and share this video with your friends. Kitchen inventions don't always come exactly when you need them. In 1810, a Frenchman announced his great invention, the canned food. There is a small little problem though. Nobody had invented the can opener. It would be another 45 years before anybody thought to invent the can opener. But before the can opener was invented, the instructions on a canned food read, "Cut around the top near the outer edge with a chisel or a hammer." I don't think you'll find much of hammers or chisels in kitchens today. Every morning, my family cooks bacon and eggs. One of the favorite things that my kids love to help with is beating the eggs. In the late 19th century, cooks in the United States went egg beater crazy. No fewer than 692 separate inventions for egg beaters were granted between 1856 and 1920, including the famous Dover whisk. But not one of these designs was as an improvement on the French balloon whisk, which has been around since the 16th century and shows no sign of going out of fashion. Well, it looks like our kitchen is all done now. We just need to break out our markers and colored pencils and start coloring this. Kitchens can be quite colorful, so feel free to use whatever colors you'd like. Try using some different shades, or using a lighter color here and there, and then darkening it by overlaying it with another color. Here's another interesting tidbit about a kitchen. Cooks throughout the world have used the size of a walnut as a handy unit of measurement. The walnut has been used to measure carrots, sugar, and above all, butter. Why the walnut? The great thing about the Persian walnut, apart from its rich oily taste, is its consistent size, around 2.5 to 3.5 centimeters in diameter. A walnut of butter is somewhat more than the smidgen of less than a dollop. Another favorite thing that my kids love to do in the kitchen is to make homemade ice cream. Did you know that you can make homemade ice cream in about 5 minutes? It sounds impossible, but in 1885, an inventor marketed a hand-cranked ice cream maker that did just that, using only ice and salt. Wow, I really like how colorful we've made this kitchen. I hope you like it as well too. And if you like this video, make sure to like it, subscribe, and to leave any comments down below. Maybe leave a comment on what your favorite thing to do in the kitchen is. Now don't forget to color in the curtains and the window as well. Maybe you can draw a tree or your neighbor's house outside of the window. Or maybe you have a friend walking by waving outside the window. It's up to you. It's your drawing. Have fun with it. Well, I've had a great time talking to you about all this cool information about kitchens and how my family loves being in the kitchen. I love all the colors that we've used today. I really hope you've enjoyed it as well too. I really hope to see you next time for our next drawing. But until then, bye-bye.